Hi, guys. It's Mary. I'm walking to the class now. The day is very sunny.
The campus is so busy. There are so many activities today.
I'm checking my phone to see what we have today. Oh, hello. Who is she? She looks new and unhappy.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the library is?
Hello? Can I sit with you?
Oh, we are waiting for someone.
Oh, no.
Wait, may I talk to you?
Hi. Um, are you okay?
Yes, I am fine. Just new, and English is hard.
It's okay. I can talk slowly.
Thank you. People here talk very fast.
So, what's your name?
My name is Hana.
Oh, welcome, Hana.
I am Mary. Nice to meet you, Mary.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I
Am from South Korea.
Wow, I heard South Korea is a beautiful place.
Yes, it is. Hana, did someone say something to you today? No, they didn't say anything. They just either walk away or ignore me. My English is not really good, so they think I'm weird. You are not weird. You are learning, and that's brave.
In the morning, I tried to talk to some people. I asked them for directions to the library, but they ignored me because my English is not very good. It made me feel invisible. Hana, listen, it's not about your English. Some people are impatient. Many people don't understand how hard language learning is. I studied for many years, but speaking is very scary. My heart starts beating fast. Boom, boom, boom.
Yes, I know that feeling. And don't worry, I will help you.
Really? Will you help me?
Of course. Come with me. I will show you around and we will practice simple English together.
Thank you, Mary.
You are welcome.
This is the library. Okay, the library. Good. This is the science building. Science building. English is funny. Yes, very funny.
Mary, too many people. Don't worry. Take a deep breath. I am here.
This is rice. This is beans. This is chicken.
Rice, beans, chicken.
Hey, did you guys hear about the new club meeting today?
Wow, that sounds interesting. Count me in.
Hi, Mary. Who is your friend?
Hi, David. This is Hana. She's new here. She speaks English slowly. Please be patient.
Nice to meet you, Hana.
Nice to meet you too.
Hi, Hana. Welcome to the university.
Thank you.
What class do you take?
I take English 101 and business.
Nice.
Is my English good? Your English is very good. In my country, I talk a lot. I am funny. I have many friends. But here, I'm quiet. I feel so small. You are not small. You are strong.
You came to a new country, new language, new people. That is courage. Thank you, Mary. You see me. Yes, I see you. And now we are friends.
Hi, guys. This is Hana. She is amazing. She speaks English well, and she is learning. Hello, everyone. If you see someone alone, someone shy, someone learning, be kind. Slow down. Smile. One small hello can change someone's day. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed practicing slow and simple English with me. If you want more easy English videos, please like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.